avalanche. Snow and ice rush down so fast, covering everything as they pass. B is for blizzard. Cold winds blow with swirling snow, freezing all the world below. C is for cyclone. Spinning storm with winds so strong, roaring loudly all day long. D is for drought. No rain falls for many days, drying lands in sunny blaze. E is for earthquake. Ground shakes hard beneath our feet, making buildings skip a beat. F is for flood. Water rises, spreading wide, covering homes from side to side. G is for gas leak. Danger spreads we cannot see, harmful fumes in air can be. H is for heat wave. Hot sun burns for many days, drying lands in fiery rays. I is for industrial fire. Factories blaze with flames so high, smoke goes rising to the sky. J is for jungle fire. Forest flames both wild and bright, burning trees day and night. K is for king tide. Ocean waters rise up tall, flooding shores and covering all. L is for landslide. Rocks and mud fall rushing down, changing hills and nearby town. M is for monsoon. Heavy rains that pour and pour, filling rivers more and more. N is for nuclear accident. Danger spreads from power plants, harmful rays that none can chance. O is for oil spill. Dark oil spreads across the sea, hurting life for you and me. P is for pandemic. Illness spreads from place to place, people stay in safe embrace. Q is for quick. Sudden shaking, strong and quick, making buildings jump and kick. R is for radiation leak. Invisible danger in the air, needs quick action and great care. S is for storm surge. Ocean water pushed to land, flooding towns along the sand. T is for tornado. Twisting winds that spin around, lifting things up from the ground. U is for urban flood. City streets in water deep, cars and homes in trouble keep. V is for volcanic eruption. Lava burst from mountain high, ash and smoke fill up the sky. W is for wildfire. Forest flames that leap and race, burning trees from place to place. X is for X-class solar flare. Powerful burst from the sun so bright, sending waves of glow.